Hello, welcome you all. I am Dhananjay Ramakrishna Patil, a lecturer Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy. Today we are going to um, introduce about pharmaceutical legislation. Contains introduction, origin, need, development, drug inquiry committee, post-independence era and development, scope of pharmacy. Introduction. When the life of human being relates to any profession, then its laws and rules have own importance. We never imagine any profession which relates to life without laws, rules in this modern world. In profit-based world, we never say that they are 100% ethical for mankind, and the professional legislation binds person to the ethics with the laws and rules of that profession. Means ethics, laws, and rules are interdependent. Pharmaceutical is the health profession include manufacturing of drugs and its related activity. The pharmaceutical or pharmacy is a vital link between health science and chemical science is very close to human life. Hence, to import, manufacture, distribution and sales of drugs and cosmetics in India, the legislation of pharmaceutical field is required. Due to legislation in pharmacy, the patient get the quality and evaluated drug which results to drug efficacy. Origin 1811 The first chemist shop was opened by Mr. Bathgate in Calcutta. 1821 Firm Smith Stanistreet and Company start to sell medicine. 1878 Opium Act. 1901 Acharya Praful Chandra Rai in Calcutta was started the Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Works factory on small scale. 1903 Professor T. K. Gajjar started a small factory at Parel, Bombay, which later developed to Alembic Chemical Works Limited at Baroda in 1909. 1910 Mr. Bathgate firm chemist shop started manufacturing of tinctures and spirit. 1918 Firm Smith Stanistreet and Company started manufacturing of medicine. 1919 Poison Act. 1930 Dangerous Drug Act. Need of pharmaceutical legislation. The supply of from Indian manufacturer for Indian population does not fulfilled by the movement. Hence, most of the medicine were imported from European countries. Number of European companies targeted India as a market for growth and to stand in competition. The economical drug were supplied. During manufacturing of economical drug, the European pharmaceutical company does not worry about quality and safety of medicine. The unhealthy competition gets started between Indian and European pharmaceutical companies, which results in supply of hazardous, inferior and substandard drugs. Which this matter, the Indian public asked to prepare the implement effective legislation to control the import, manufacture, distribution and sale of drug. Development during ISC Indian Science Congress at Lahore 1927, the medical and veterinary section made strong appeal from a strong step to control hazardous, inferior and substandard drugs. In middle of 1927, the Council of State adopted a resolution recommending to the Governor of General in Council to urge all provincial state government to take such step to control indiscriminate use of medicinal drugs and legislate for standardization of preparation and sale for such drug. In 1928, the Secretary of the Indian Merchants Chamber of Bombay wrote a letter to Government of British India stating that the attention of the committee of this chamber has been drawn to druggists in India of stocking drugs of inferior quality for sale. This has affected the pharmaceutical industry to a lot of extent. Late Colonel H.A.G. Jitney in the Legislative Council also demanded for control of adulterated drugs toward government. Due to around public pressure and resolution of 1927, the government of British India responded to appointed the Drug Inquiry Committee in 1931 to have comprehensive legislation for pharmaceutical industry. Drug Inquiry Committee. The committee worked under the chairmanship of late Colonel R.N. Chopra, also known as Chopra Committee or DEC. The report of DEC submitted with 90 recommendations, some of them as follows. Central legislation to control drug and pharmacy. The legislation may consist of both Combined Drug Act and Pharmacy Act or may be separate. Setting up of well-equipped CDL with efficient and speedy competent staff along with expert for drug testing. It was also suggested that small laboratories would work under the direction of CDL to advise central government in making rules and to carry out the objects of any act. The advisory board may be appointed. For training in pharmacy and prescribing minimum qualification for registration as a pharmacist, pharmacy course may be set. The drug industry in India should be developed. The crude single drugs as well as compounded medicine used in the indigenous system of treatment should be brought under control. For compilation of Indian pharmacopoeia, steps should be taken. The manufacturing from medical stores should be gradually decreased. Post-independence era and development. 1955 first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published. 1960 the AICTE drafted a syllabus for Master of Pharmacy. 1961 Indian Drug Manufacturer Association IDMA was founded. 1963 Indian Hospital Pharmacist Association IHPA New Delhi was founded. 1965 Organization of Pharmaceutical Producers of India OPPI Bombay was founded. 1978 GATE examination for admission in M Pharmacy with scholarship directed by Nayudamma Committee. 1980 the Indian Pharmacy Graduate Association established. 1985 third edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia released. Important acts, rules and their objectives. 1940 Drugs and Cosmetic Act and 1945 Drugs and Cosmetic Rule to regulate and control the manufacture, distribution, sale and import of drug and cosmetic within India. The Pharmacy Act 1948 to regulate and raise the status of pharmacy profession within India. 1954 the Drugs and Magic Remedy Act to control certain types of advertisement which give false claim. The Medicinal and Toilet Preparation Act 1955 collection of duties of excise on medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, opium, hemp and other narcotics. The Narcotic and Psychotropic Substance Act to control and regulate operations related to narcotic and psychotropic substances. The Drug Price Control Order 1987 to control prices of drugs. Thank you so much.